with you. First off, take a look at it. It's a beauty of a ship. I do have to make one small edit though. This shouldn't say 9. It should say 29. 29 and older. Okay, don't worry about that age. That's irrelevant. Age is just a number. This will not take me 9 years to build, okay? This will take me just a few hours to build, especially with the help of all of you. We have the Bad Batch attack shuttle. A lovely ship. Here's the scale. This is what it looks like in my hand. Number 75314 attack shuttle. Really nice ship. Really cool to display. I'll probably end up getting a stand for it so the wings can retract it down. That's the only problem with these types of ships, is that they look so much better when it's like this. So I guess it's more like that. Right? What a cool looking ship. What a great build. A lovely build. Great price, great minifigures, can't complain. I think you should get this. Lego Star Wars Bad Batch attack shuttle. 75314. Extra techie. Another build in the books. We'll see everybody later. Hey, thanks for watching the latest speed build on Lego by Extra Techie, a channel dedicated to the brick. For more Lego action, make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and share the video out so we can grow this community. For more Lego action, come back later. You'll never know what you find on Lego by Extra Techie. See you next time.